find yourself in a comfortable position, preferably without arms or legs crossed. You can be moving, sitting, or laying down. You begin by taking in a cleansing breath, and as you breathe in, imagine breathing in relaxation and calm as a clear golden white light. This light moves in through your nose, your mouth, fills your head, as it also moves down your throat and spreads rapidly throughout your body. All of this happens in moments, and you breathe out, allowing your body relaxation and the release of tension. And repeat, breathing in clear golden white light. Rapidly it spreads through your body, relaxing muscles, relaxing fully, and breathing out from your belly, letting go the air. Allow tensions to leave your muscles. Imagine sweeping through your body with your imagination as an observer. And as you do, you let go all the tension. You can move around, rotating and stretching your body parts as you need, putting your focus fully on the thought of relaxation, of letting go, of shaking off the tension, the concerns, the worries, the upsets. And continue breathing in this manner, taking in and letting go and relaxing. Now your body, as though looking from outside yourself at your form, you see and imagine and know it is filled with this clear golden white light. It fills every cell, every molecule, every atom, down to the very finest particle making up your form, your energy fields, your chakras. Your meridians flow with the golden white light. And lifting, moving your hands, imagine and see and know that the golden white light flows out through them, through your palms. You can direct it, you can move it, you can sweep it over your body. The same with your feet, the energies move clearly through. Now from the top of your head, notice that the light expands up, lifting out of you. This is life force energy, and as you breathe in, you are continually renewed, revitalized, restored. And the life from your top of head, your crown chakra, moves up through all energy layers, through the space you are in, whether indoors or out, through the sky, through the atmosphere, through space. It moves through realms, dimensions. It connects with oneness, divinity, source, pure love. And as you connect, still breathing in the golden white light, life force, breathing out, relaxing further. Feel this connection and know, even if you are not feeling it, that it is occurring. You are always connected with and as oneness, pure love. And the essence that flows down from oneness, from love source, moves through all these realms and layers. It moves into your auric space, your biofield. It enters your body. And it moves through rapidly as a wave rolling, caressing and cascading through your form. Every aspect, every single aspect is filled with pure divine love and connection. And as it moves through, your chakras align, the filtered areas of them are cleared and operating in balance, restored to their perfect health. Every cell of your body and all components of them radiate and vibrate the frequencies, the tones of divine love. And know this, accept this. and welcome it consciously with intention. And you notice it flows down through your body, through your feet, and from your feet it exits. It moves through the flooring, the layers of earth, wherever you are at. Even if in a high building, it need not matter, for it moves instantaneously downward. So quick, such ease. It moves through all the layers of the earth, past rock, minerals, plant roots and tree roots, groundwater, insects and animal burrows. It moves down to the very, very heart center of Mother Gaia, Earth Mother. You're grounded. Feel this certainty. You're firm. You are connected. In the life force energy, you continue to breathe, filling your body, flowing through your form, moving out through skin, through hands, through feet, moves up through your crown, and you are still connected, remaining always with oneness, divinity, pure love, creator, creation. And as you are in this space, grounded fully, connected completely, the vessel, the chalice, the light flowing through, this is your natural state. It is always occurring. The conscious intention, such as you are doing now, allows the removal and non-buildup of blockages, flushes them away, and restores your general well-being as you were created to be. And as you sit in this space, move your attention again to your connection with the Earth Heart Center. And from there, you notice the divine Gaia Mother, her love, the angelic being she is, divine beauty and love made manifest. She is more than a home. She is a sentient being. And this essence fills her. And the divine essence from you and the divine essence through her combine. And it begins to glow brilliantly in the Earth Center, radiating through such high frequency, such purity and clarity. In every direction, the sound frequencies go. And as they do, they generate divine healing and restoration. Much as your body is reminded of the perfect wellness and health and well-being it is, so are all things in earth and through her. Every insect, reptile, and animal, the water, the rocks, the minerals, soils, sand, plant life, all is consumed with this high, lovely frequency, divine healing and restoration of remembrance, their wholeness. And it moves just as rapidly it had through your body. It moves rapidly through the earth and out through the crust, out through the trees and the plants, filling all animals, all existing, all man-made objects and humans, everything in the earth realm is filled, restored, divine frequency, pure love. It moves through the air. And as it does, all those who seek healing, who seek remembrance, this assists them. And it flows outward through atmosphere, off through space, continually, on earth in all dimensions, through all realms, all frequency of being, restoring harmony. There is resonance. And all harmonizes and aligns, coming into the unique vibration and frequencies of their perfect well-being in connection with Anayaya, divine love. And you sit in this oneness, this flow, and place out with your thought, your voice, what it is you seek to experience in your life. Allow yourself to believe, to know, and to accept. And you sit in the space, aware of the connection with all through divine love, as divine love, oneness restored in memory, in essence, experiencing. And as you are ready, return fully to your body, here and now, and give yourself the intention, placing it firmly in your thought. You may use your voice if you wish as well, that you will move into the state of awareness easily, more and more rapidly and easily each time you practice, and that you practice everywhere. Shalom and peace be, dear love being. Shine brilliantly.